If you've ever recorded vocals at home and wondered how to get rid of that quiet room noise between phrases, this plugin is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up the audio without making it sound choppy or unnatural. My name is Kimera, and you can get a free trial of this plugin in the description below. All right, here is my noise gate. This one is called Gate Kept. And again, this plugin is listening for when your audio gets quieter than a specific decibel. And decibel is a measurement of volume, also known as dB. When sound gets quieter than this number right here, the gate will close and it silences any sound trying to come through below that threshold, which is how we eliminate really quiet room sound.
I'll never forget where I came from. You and me used to be the same. Had my mindset.
Okay, you saw it working a little right there, huh? The settings I'm really interested in are the attack, the release. This is gonna help it sound smooth when it closes and opens, kind of like a fade in, fade out. And then the threshold. The threshold tells the plugin when to do its job. So right now we're saying, don't let anything quieter than 61.6 dB through our gate. It will mute anything below that. These are the settings that work really well for me, but to really perfect your audio, try this out. If I pull this up saying louder sounds are not allowed to come through, we're gonna start intentionally muting words that ultimately we won't want muted. And then we'll pull it back until we start to hear that the tail ends of our words or our breaths are not getting shut out. That will be the sweet spot.
I'll never forget came from. You and me used to be the same. Had my mind set on this from day one.
Okay, did you hear that in the beginning? I had it so harsh that it was literally turning down actual words. They were just kind of quiet words. Let me mute the track and we can listen even closer.
I'll never forget where I came from. You and me used to be the same.
Cool, I think that is a good spot. You saw some of the attenuation happening in the meter, but you still could hear the breaths and the tail ends of the words, because those are really quiet, but we still want them.
I'll never forget where I came from. You and me used to be the same. Had my mind.
Love it.